How to deactivate your Messenger account. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Messenger account very easily. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open your Messenger on app. If you are using your mobile, open your app. If you're using web, if you're using laptop, then open messenger.com and log in. After logging in, this is what it's going to look like. So how I can deactivate it. So first of all, let me tell you that Messenger is linked to Facebook. So when you deactivate your Facebook account, then your Messenger is automatically deactivated. But if you only want to deactivate or stop using your Messenger, but you still want to use your Facebook, then what you can do is basically go on to your messenger.com and then go on to your settings, and here you're going to see some option which says preferences. From your preferences, what you can do is you can turn off your active status. Then you can basically turn off the notification sounds. You can turn them off, and you can turn on the do not disturb mode. In this mode, you won't be able to get any notifications or any messages or anything for a certain period of time. It can be 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. You can just click on this until switched off and click on next. So you have basically turned on your do not disturb mode. After that, you can basically go on and delete your Messenger app from your phone, and that's how you won't be able to get any messages, any notification from the Messenger on your Facebook as well. Just delete your app from your mobile, or just close your account or log out of your account and do not log in again. And this is how basically you can avoid using Messenger like this. I'm just going to log out from here, and then until I'm logged in and until I turn each of these settings on, I will appear on Messenger like I do not exist or I have stopped using Messenger. So you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to lose both of Facebook and Messenger, just go on and deactivate your Facebook account, and there you go, your Messenger will be deactivated automatically. So I hope I was a big help to you guys, and please give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.